If you wanted to change the color of the text inside a cell, which tool would you use? A. Bold. B. Borders. C. Fill. Color. D. Text color. 17. Which of the following is not part of a spreadsheet? A. Cell address. B. Column letter. C. Column number. D. Row number. Number 18. Which feature of Calc helps to see the changes made in the shared worksheet? A. Record changes. B. Record repeatedly. C. Total of record. B. Unchanged record. 19. How to activate the record change features in the shared worksheet? A. Changes. Record from the menu bar. Select Insert. B. Record from the menu bar. Select Insert. Changes. C. Select Insert. Record from the menu bar. Changes. And letter D. Select Changes. Record from the menu bar. 20. What is an audio and video conferencing tool? It is A. It is a tool that can just record a video. B. It is a tool that can just record an audio. C. It is a tool that lets you use an audio and video conference over an internet. D. It is a tool that lets you use an audio and video conference even without the internet. 21. What does E stand for in the E group? A. Electronic. B. Encrypt. C. Energy. D. Enhance. 22. What should you do if you're having tech issues? A. Complain it immediately. B. Wait until the meeting starts. Then send your teacher an email. B. C. Nothing. If you're having tech issues, you don't have to attend the meeting. D. Try to solve them yourself first, then immediately let your teacher and school's tech department know. 23. Why do business like video conferencing? A. It is a tool that lets you use an audio conference using an internet. B. They don't. Businesses would rather have people attend to live interactive session. Letter C. It is a very cheap online only requiring a laptop, software, webcam, and high-speed internet. Letter D. All the equipment for video conferencing is free to use. The technology is not confusing to use.